And the big story we are tracking this evening, farmers are preparing for a peaceful tractor rally which will be staged on the 26th of January. Farmer union leaders have issued instructions for a peaceful demonstration on Republic Day. Farmers have been instructed to carry adequate ration for 24 hours. Union leaders have also said that the rally will only cover the marked route approved by the Delhi police. No one should carry any weapon or drink alcohol. Banners carrying inciting messages are also not allowed. 3 routes originating from Singhu, Tikri and Ghazipur border points have been finalized for the march. Meanwhile, Home Minister Amit Shah will be reviewing the security arrangements any time now as the meeting is set to begin. Meanwhile, we go across to my colleagues who are joining us live on the broadcast. Sumi and Mahima with us. Sumi, if I can come to you first to put out the set of guidelines that have been given to the farmers under the conditions that the tractor rally can be conducted tomorrow.
Yes, Suesha, the tractor march has been finalized on the 3 routes approved by the Delhi police, and only on these routes the farmers are supposed to take their tractor march tomorrow. And the route that has been finalized from Singhu border, where I'm deployed right now, is the tractor march will begin from Singhu border, will go to Sanjay Gandhi Transport Nagar. From there it will go to Kanjhawala, then Bhavana, and then Ochandi border, and through the KMP expressway it will come back to the Singhu border. And from Tikri border, it will first go to Nangloi, then Najafgarh, and then it will go to KMP Expressway, and then it will come back to Tikri border. So these are the routes that have been finalized by the Delhi police, and only on these routes the tractor march will be carried out. However, the time as to when they will begin their tractor march will be finalized in the meeting that is ongoing of the farmer unions with the Delhi police officials, and the final word will also be given out. And as you correctly pointed out, Home Minister Amit Shah is also holding, will also be holding shortly a review meeting of the Republic Day celebrations, and this tractor march will also, be a huge part of it, because the preparations that have been undertaken by the Delhi police officials along with the IB officials will also be reviewed by the Home Minister himself. And as far as the instructions that have been put out by the Farmers Union, Sanyukt Kisan Morcha is concerned, the instructions are very clear. They're not supposed to play music on the tractor. Not more than 5 people are supposed to be, boarded on one tractor. And also, they cannot carry any weapon. They cannot consume alcohol, and they cannot overtake the vehicles. Also, they need to maintain proper integrity, and they need to carry out the tractor march with dignity. That has been made very, very clear. And also, a very clear message also was given by them as to they are actually holding this tractor march to win the hearts of the people of the national capital, and not to create any law and order situation, not to be chaotic in any manner, and to disrupt the ongoing Republic Day celebrations. And in fact, this has been made very clear, and yesterday these set of instructions were given out to each and every farmer union coming under them, and the farmers will have to carry themselves with utmost amount of composure. That also has been made very clear. However, if the security concerns are there and the number of tractors that will be taking part is concerned, this evening it will be cleared as far as how many tractors will take part in it. So far, 12,000 tractors have been, this figure has come from the farmer unions, and more and more tractors are joining them from different cities and different states of the national capital. That's what we are learning, Suesha, and we will be waiting for further development to take place in this regard.
Meanwhile, Sumi, Home Minister Amit Shah is all set to chair the meeting to review the security arrangements, and the meeting is to start anytime now. Getting details from Madhurima, who's joining us from the national capital. Madhurima, what exactly is the agenda, details of the meeting, who all will be a part of that meeting, and when is it set to begin?
Well, the meeting with Home Minister Amit Shah and the Delhi police official is set to begin any time now, Suesha. And when we talk about this particular meeting, this is coming after, if we remember that the Supreme Court had highlighted that the matter of carrying out this tractor rally inside the national capital is not up to the judiciary but to the executive. Hence, this entire tractor rally is now will be conducted under the supervision of the Delhi police, and when we other states are concerned, then respective state police, which is why Home Minister Amit Amit Shah will be helming this particular meeting so as to finalize that the law and order situation is not compromised. He will be taking stock of all the preparations which have been done for tomorrow's rally. We know that the number of tractors is massive, which will also be finalized by today evening, as it was said by the police officials yesterday in a press conference. The second point, which is the most important, is as we know that there is a threat looming over this entire protest, the farmers' protest, as the police official yesterday said that over 300 Twitter handle have been generated from Pakistan as to create unrest in this particular rally, which is scheduled to take place tomorrow. So that would be one of the main points that the Union Home Minister will be looking into, Swesha, because to ensure that no untoward incident takes place, as we know that the number of protesters is massive, the number of tractors is massive, though all kind of guidelines have been led out by the Delhi police officials and Sanyukt Kisan Morcha as well. Let me also tell you that the Kisan Morcha, the farmer unions, have also said that to not believe into any rumors or any sort of fear mongering, and whereas to only go by the official Facebook page of the farmer unions and not believe in any forwarded WhatsApp or forwarded post on any social media platform. So all these things will be taken in count in this particular meeting, the law and order situation. Then when we talk about maintaining peace in this entire rally, as we know that it will be carried out at three different places, around and across the national capital. The farmers will be coming inside the national capital also for a little bit of, for few kilometers inside the periphery of the national capital. That has to be taken care of. And at the same time, it has to be made sure that no civilian movement or no civilian, is interrupted or perturbed by this particular rally, because we know that tomorrow, 26 January, is as it is a day which is on high alert, Swesha.
Oh, yes. And these are very important concerns. Madhurima and Sumi, thank you for those updates.